Hello, this is a demonstration of why you need backend validation even if you have front-end validation. I'm going to use PHPFilddle as an example here. Notice that I have a very simple form which I call reserve simple. In this HTML I have a form, okay, and there are only a few input fields. We have the input field for first name, which is here. I have an input field for the store, which is a group of radio buttons, and I also have an input field for date. Now notice that I used HTML5 input types here, such as for a date I have the type equals to date. So the front-end browser will provide a date picker on the form, and it will do some basic validation. So let's see how it works in real life. So I'm going to run it, and this is the form. I'm going to input my surname, my first name here. I'm going to select the store, and I'm going to enter a date. Now notice that I can use the date picker here. However, some users may want to enter their own date and time. Now, if you can imagine that if I'm asking for birthday here, okay, if the user try to enter his or her birthday, then he will have to try to go to his or her birthday, and that would take a long time, right? So it's very difficult to jump to the birthday. Okay, I'm jumping in the future, so I have to go back to the past. Okay, let's see if I can okay, now you can see the operation here. So let's say someone was born in the 1960s. As you can see, this is a very troublesome operation. So someone will just try to come here and type in, let's say 1951. Okay, but it's also possible that they will make a mistake like this. And if I click a reserve now, as you can see, the parameters that is passed to the backend is now this date, okay, which is invalid. Now let's look at the code of this is front-end code, and this is the so it submits to this form, and this is the form that handles the submission. As you can see, it receives this first name. The value of the store is stored in here, and also the date. Okay, so again, and if I run it again, I will run the simple again very quickly. So let's try another surname here, like Lewis. Okay, the second more, and now let's enter a future day. So if I want 2020, but I type in the too many times, I click reserve, and it becomes this date. So I hope you see the point. Goodbye.